to hide friends list on Facebook. Welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide friends list on Facebook. Maintaining your privacy on social media is important, and Facebook provides options to control who can see your friends list. So here's how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. For that, you'll have to open your Facebook application on your mobile device first and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, here at the top right corner, you'll find 3 lines. Tap on the 3 lines to access more menu. Once you reach to this menu section, here scroll down until you find the settings and privacy option. Next to the settings and privacy, you'll find the little arrow facing downward. Tap on it to open more options. And from here, tap on settings. This will redirect you to a new page. And once you reach to this section, here scroll down until you find audience and visibility section. Under audience and visibility, you will find how people find and contact you option. Tap on this option again. And finally, here on this section, you will find who can see your friends list option. At the right side, you will see the selected option. Right now, it is set to public. That means everyone can see my friends list. Now to change it, tap on that arrow next to public and expand it. Once you do so, you will be presented with some options. Make sure you choose this last option. Tap on this last option to select it. And there you can see now it is set to only me. That means only you can see your friends list. And now it is hidden from other friends or people on your Facebook. So by following these steps, you can effectively manage who can see your friends list on Facebook, giving you more control over your social interactions. So I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from our channel. Thank you for watching.